complex चीज को you designed it very simply that
Right.
people like me can also understand. Struggling challenge, you can say, last 2 years.
But after joining the program, in what time you started noticing the change in you?
First week itself, you gave us what you promised. I think more than that.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of our success story series. So this series is about real professional, real fears and real transformation. So today's conversation is especially powerful because it reflects what happens when someone decides to stop hiding their voice and start trusting it. So our guests today did not just improve their communication skill, they just shifted how they think, show up and lead at work. So allow me to introduce my student, my mentee Sangeeta to Success Story series with Pro Speakers Hub. Sangeeta, welcome.
Thank thank you, Sujata. Thank you so much.
How are you feeling, Sangeeta? As we are in the edge of our training and we're shooting this.
Great, Sujata. Awesome. Because in this interview, I'll answer as you ask me question. But initially, I want to say this tribe is best tribe. I want to say because that support and holding hands and non-judgmental atmosphere. It's truly 10 on 10.
I'm very happy that you connected. You're a part of Pro Speakers Hub. And yes, definitely, this is one of the non judgmental space that we have. And I'm glad that you are a part of this community because this is not just a community for me, Sangeeta. This is a family for me. And you are one of them, a part of the family of Pro Speakers Hub.
Thank you so much, Sujata. Actually, feeling so blessed.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Sangeeta, if we go back a few months ago, how would you describe your relationship with your speaking and the confidence at your workplace or maybe on the stages?
So to answer this question, so let me introduce I myself.
Mm.
Initially, as a professional, I'm an advocate. So arguing in court, it's totally different. So when I started coaching, I felt it's little difficult. Why I don't know, because standing in front of judge and arguing with loud voice, because there we don't follow any structure as we follow in public speaking. So it was little hectic that time for me. Then I
Right,
thought, no, I need some correction because this time I shifted from an advocacy to this coaching field. So
right.
then I thought I have to go with best coach, and I started searching. Then after some 2 weeks, I just stopped. I don't know why. And one fine day, while scrolling, I saw your page, Insta page, and that day you are live, Insta live.
Ah,
So that day, I don't know. First time I saw you, and something happened, some inner shift happened, and I thought, no, this lady, she looks so मतलब authentic, मतलब लग रहा है इनसे मैं सीख पाऊंगी. Because
ah,
as a coach जब आपको देखा, then first I felt, wow, तो इनसे मैं सीख सकती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने पहले सर्च नहीं किया था. आई सर्च सेवरल कोचेस, बट वो
ah,
एक कनेक्शन फील होता है ना, सुजाता.
right, right.
सो पता नहीं वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाया. देन आई थॉट इफ आई एम नॉट ओनली कनेक्टेड विद दैट कोच, फील ही नहीं आ रहा है,
Feel
तो
नहीं आ रहा.
थोड़ा
हाँ,
होल्ड कर लेते हैं. आई
right.
डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दैट फीलिंग, बट ठीक है, थोड़ा होल्ड करते कर लेते हैं फिर कभी. तो रैंडमली आई स्टार्टेड वन डे, which was my blessed day, I guess. No, I'm not guessing for sure. तो स्क्रॉल कर रही थी तो सडनली आपका पेज आता है. तो आपका पहले ही वो सब देखी तो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. देन आई स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग ऑल योर रील्स एंड दैट सक्सेस स्टोरी एंड योर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड दैट ऑथेंटिसिटी. जो बोलते हैं, आप जो बोल रहे हो, यू आर डूइंग दैट
Yes,
because congruency is there. What you're
right,
seeing, I mean, what you're doing, you're saying, both are same.
right.
So I felt, nahi, because in this 21st century, we have to go to the people who are real, I mean
Yeah,
authentic,
right.
and no drama, no any over exaggeration, nothing, Sujata. I'm sharing what I felt in this
Right.
community. So just I took 3 seconds, I guess, if you
Yes.
remember.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
just
I think immediately after
PM
the
hua.
Instagram live, we connected.
Yes, yes, immediately. And I confirmed my enrollment.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you mentioned all the process. Then I said, no, no, not necessary because I'm already in. Just I have to do that formalities, Sujata. I'm
Yes.
already in.
Yes.
So all your transformation and what you're doing, and not only as a public speaking and all, after seeing you, Sujata, I changed myself because sometimes it was like, oh, I'm doing so much, how I can handle all this thing. I'm handling office, this work, and coaching, so many things. So how to handle? And after seeing your so many reels, you're doing everything and very structured way. You're handling coaching and everywhere very punctual. You're presenting everything at time, not 5 minutes late, but 5 minutes early always. So
Right.
यहाँ पे भी she is managing her time, and she's her commitment and her consistency. When Sujata can do, even I can also learn how to do. So here, not only public speaking, I understood how to be consistent and how to commit it, whatever we are doing. And आपका वो एक डायलॉग, इट वाज रियल मोटिवेशन फॉर मी. मैं यहाँ पे रहने के लिए आई हूँ,
Right.
आपने बोला था.
Right.
सो
Right. Right.
वो मेरे लिए वो आपका सिग्नेचर लाइन, वो मेरा पूरा लाइफ चेंजिंग बोल सकती हूँ. एंड आफ्टर जॉइनिंग योर कम्युनिटी, all everything started turning positively. I'm getting so many clients for my
Wow.
one-on-one session,
Wow.
and so many conversations happening in
Wow.
clarity call, or we can say discovery call.
Discovery call.
So
Right.
now I'm speaking more confidently. So my clients are converting. You can say out of 10, at least 9. I'm
Wow.
not saying 10 because this is it's still in process.
Correct. Correct.
She's
Correct.
out of station. That's why, to be very authentic, I'm saying 9.
Wow. Wow.
So how this is happening? पहले भी कर रही थी and now, but yes, saying people who are saying yes are more in number this time. So
Wow.
कुछ तो shift हुआ होगा. पहले भी मैं बात कर रही थी. Now also I'm only
You're only.
taking
Yes.
discovery call.
Yes.
So what
Yes.
changed? What had
Yes.
changed? Then no doubt this is public speaking course with Sujata.
I'm very, very proud of you, Sangeeta, that how much you have shifted yourself from being that person who is doubting herself, who had anxiety, to loving
Yes.
yourself. So I'm very happy that we are
Yes.
standing here today. We're doing this, and I'm able to witness your success story, your transformation, Sangeeta. Sangeeta, if you remember, I want you to tell our audience that who was Sangeeta before and who is Sangeeta today.
Sangeeta before she was like public speaking karna hai. If you can send me to courtroom hall, okay, I'm pro at that because I'm an advocate. I'll do it
Correct,
because I practiced that from long years.
correct.
Okay, I'm like, you're on a I'll start there only. No worries. But here, public speaking and speaking with coaches, we have to manage our tonality and all.
Tonality.
So it was like anxiety, as you mentioned. Was speaking here is like hand sweating, and I started like it was. Oh my god, अभी करना है. मतलब वहाँ करना है. Courtroom best था यार. But no, I have to prove here myself. No,
Right.
I'll learn. Then after joining this, just I mentioned what all happened with me. So from there to here,
Wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. So now Sangeeta, who was underconfident, who सोच रहे who was thinking कि मैं कैसे करूँगी, all of that. And Sangeeta is very confident now, and I'm able to see the changes in you today. So are people also asking you
thank
that
you, thank
Sangeeta,
you
you
so
have
much.
changed a lot?
Yes, definitely. Matlab, initially it was like speaking loud and very fast, no pause, no comma, like चलते ही जा रहा है ट्रेन.
Hmm.
बिकॉज मैं उसी
Hmm.
पैटर्न को सीखी थी. आप
Hmm.
प्रैक्टिस करें और जज तक पहुंचना है बोले तो लाउड वॉइस,
Hmm.
पर आप रियल लाइफ में वो नहीं यूज कर
Correct.
सकते वैसे.
Correct. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
इन
हाँ.
दिस फील्ड आपका टोनालिटी बहुत कुछ मैटर करेगा,
Hmm.
राइट?
Very
सो
true.
आपको
Very true.
इमोशनल पे दिखाना है, जैसे आपने सिखाया, हर
Right.
जगह पे टोनालिटी वेरिएशन होगा.
Right. Right.
सो मुझे पहले वो अनलर्न करना पड़ा. आपने मेरे
Correct.
साथ वही किया, सुजाता.
करेक्ट. तो
थैंक यू.
पहले अनलर्निंग करा हमने, उसके बाद वी
अनलर्निंग
स्टार्टेड लर्निंग. यस.
जहाँ पे पॉज करना है, सामने वाले को हाउ टू
Your voice is breaking,
कहना
Sangeeta. We couldn't hear you, I think.
here
I
it's
think I
okay
can
from
I
my
think
side,
I can
Sujata.
hear you now. हाँ, अभी we can continue. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, so आपने मुझे पहले अनलर्न कराया,
Correct.
not to
हाँ.
speak very loud,
Right. Right.
not to speak continuously, how important that pause is.
Right.
And one thing I want to share very honestly and genuinely, Sujata, that program you designed was at next level.
Wow.
You have everything in that one program. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है इट्स लाइक ओवरलोड हो रहा है, इतना कुछ कैसे सीखूंगी, हाउ कैन आई लर्न ऑल
Right.
दिस थिंग्स, नथिंग
Right.
लाइक दैट. And not like very small, I mean very small course or less information, no, it's very perfect at its place,
Right.
very easy. अपने that जो भी बोलते complex चीज को you designed it very simply that
Right.
people like me can also understand.
Right. Very happy. Very happy.
And
So
beautiful course.
I'm very happy, Sangeeta, that you could transform yourself. So, Sangeeta, tell me one thing. Since
Yes,
how long you have been dealing with the speaking challenges when you joined me, and I think you told me that these are the
yes,
struggles that you had. So, since when were you struggling with your speaking challenges?
yes.
Tell me one thing, and how much time did it take for you to get the
Hmm.
transformation done?
Struggling challenge, you can say last 2 years.
So, for the last
Last two
2 years,
years.
you were
And
struggling with your speaking
yes, yes,
challenges. Hmm.
yeah. If
And in what
any
time
person
you
sitting,
yeah. So for the last 2 years you were struggling with the speaking challenges, but after joining the program, in what time you started noticing the change in you?
first week itself, first
Wow.
week only, Sujata.
Wow.
First week.
So Sangeeta, you
Yeah.
dealing with the challenges for the last 2 years, and you started
Yes,
seeing the changes in less than 1 week, and you were able to see the whole transformation in less than 6 weeks, right? So how are you
yes.
feeling about
Maybe
the
4 weeks,
transformation
Sujata, not 6 week also.
on
Total transformation, I can say three
wow
to four weeks,
3 to 4 weeks
not six
total
weeks. Yes,
transformation that you were able to see?
yes, yes.
Sangeeta, the duration of 2 years and duration of just 4 weeks, how are you feeling about the
Yes.
entire transformation in less time?
Sujata, just I want to say, earlier it was like person sitting next to me also. I like, oh, that loud voice. Then that
Hmm.
person used to say, यहीं पे बैठा हूँ यार, इतना क्यों लाउड बोल रही है. तो इट वाज लाइक मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, इतना जोर से बोल रही थी. एंड वन इंसिडेंट हैपेंड, फ्लाइट के टाइम पे मैं अपनी सीट पे बात कर रही हूँ, पूरा फ्लाइट सुन लिया है.
Oh my
उतरने के
God.
बाद सबने पूछा. देन आई फेल्ट ओ शिट, मतलब सॉरी, इतना मैं पूरा फ्लाइट को मैं खुद भी नोटिस नहीं कर पाई. सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड
Yes,
व्हाट वाज माय
yes,
सिचुएशन देन.
yes, yes, yes.
यस.
I'm very,
तो
very
बहुत
happy.
ही awkward लगा था मुझे जब नीचे उतरी थी, तो एक लेडी ने बोला, बहुत जोर से बात कर रही थी, हमें वहां तक सुनाई दे रहा था फ्लाइट में. मतलब सच में इतना जोर से बोलती हूँ, मैंने कभी वो एक्नॉलेज किया ही नहीं. वो एक मेरे लिए बहुत ही awkward सिचुएशन था.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
वहां से आई एम कोचिंग माई क्लाइंट्स on mental wellness, and with all tonalities and conversions are happening so beautifully. And after my sessions, my clients are getting amazing results. I
Wow,
posted some in that also.
wow,
Right.
wow, wow.
So
That's
now,
beautiful.
yeah, what I need more than this, Sujata, transformation. Because some people they have, मैं बात नहीं कर सकती because I don't know how to speak, but my case is totally opposite. बहुत ज्यादा जोर से बात करती हूँ, प्लीज मुझे ट्रैक पे लाओ.
So
Yes.
that was a whole shift that I had again, Sangeeta. That okay,
Hmm.
मेरे पास बहुत सारे केसेस आते हैं जहाँ पे I am not able to speak, and आपके केस में थोड़ा सा opposite था. तो we had to stabilize that again. So I'm very happy again, Sangeeta. संगीता आप थोड़ा सा कैमरा
Yes.
के बीच में बैठे हो, आपके हेड चॉप हो गया. हाँ
Yes.
वैसे
Yes.
हाँ हाँ परफेक्ट
Hmm.
परफेक्ट हाँ.
Okay.
तो संगीता, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आर एबल टू सी द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एंड जैसे आपने एक इंसिडेंट बताया, तो आई एम श्योर कि अभी एज अ कोच व्हेन यू डू दैट इट विल नॉट बी गुड. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट कि आपने कोचिंग जर्नी से पहले यू स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन दिस. एंड आई ऑल्सो रिमेम्बर, संगीता,
Yes.
व्हेन यू जॉइन द प्रोग्राम, in less than less than 1 week, you sent me the photo about you speaking on the stage, है ना? So
Yes,
how
yes,
was your experience after just entering the public speaking training and you just went on the stage
yes.
and started
Mhm.
presenting? And I remember you telling that people were appreciating you. So tell me more about those situations.
Yes. After attending your course and just after 1 week, Sujata,
Hmm.
and audience are not like any
Sangeeta,
normal audience.
your video,
Doctors,
I lost you.
Navy
I lost
officer.
Can you pause, Sangeeta? I lost you again. Hmm.
Okay.
Can you speak now?
Is this okay? Right.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect. We can get
So
that.
after 1 week of joining, yes, yes, just after 1 week of joining this program, I took public speaking session. Okay,
Wow.
and my audience were doctors, Navy officers, and education. I mean, education officers. So it was like first time only I'm taking session, and my audience are bapre, how to deal with this.
Wow.
And I mentioned you that at a very first session with you, Sujata, that shift happened.
Hmm.
एंड आई थॉट ट्राई करके देखते हैं यार क्या ही हो जाएगा सुजाता ने
Hmm.
बोला है आप जब तक आपको ये फियर नहीं छोड़ोगे यू विल नेवर लर्न तो
Right.
पहले आई अनलर्न माई पैटर्न्स एंड देन आई लर्न वॉट एवर यू टॉट मी एंड देन वहां से आई ट्राइड एंड पीपल सेड दैट वाओ अमेजिंग
Wow.
and that interaction of my audience and so, some clients also attended and it was totally like it gave me confidence actually
That
and the
really.
interest yes. And it was not like I'm giving lecture and they're listening. It was a beautiful interaction between my audience and myself. Yes. It went so beautifully. So
And
that was my
this happened in less than 1 week.
1 week.
And you also
Yeah.
mentioned you noticed the changes in yourself in just per session.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I sent all pictures of
Pictures.
that session.
Yes.
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 Sangeeta, do you regret sometimes that I wish I could have joined the public speaking really long back, because you mentioned you were dealing with this for the last 2 years, and after 2 years you took this
Yes.
step to work on your communication. So do you regret that? अरे पहले कर लेती मैं ऐसे कुछ काफी बार लगता होगा
ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग लगा था जब तक आप
लगा
नहीं
था
मिली थी लगा था या
हाँ
जब आप मिल गई तो लगा नहीं सही टाइम पे सही कोच मिले हैं तो जो भी हुआ अच्छा हुआ
अच्छा हो
या देर आए दुरुस्त आए
Very nice, very nice. So, Sangeeta, इसके बाद you also started traveling more to Mumbai and other places,
yes
and you started presenting, you
yes
started
yes
grabbing more opportunity, and your guru started
yes
telling
Pooja.
you that your mentor started assigning you more opportunities. So, I'm sure
Yes,
that Sangeeta, who was before, she tried to avoid the opportunity, but Sangeeta this time started grabbing the opportunities, and you shared this experience and
yes,
feeling with me. So, tell me more about this.
yes, true, true. So I just out of fear that मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I lost so many opportunities. मैं खुद ही
Hmm.
नहीं जाती थी. मतलब वो
Hmm.
डेयरिंग आया ही नहीं. नहीं
Hmm.
वहां पे जाके कुछ कर दिया तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कोर्ट रूम राइट सो आई
Mhm.
डोंट वांट दिस यहाँ पे बहुत डिसेंटली प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा आई डोंट नो हाउ एंड ऑल सो जस्ट पीछे हट जाते हैं like
Mhm.
this I missed almost 6 to 7 very good opportunities
Oh my God.
हाँ that time I felt that मैं थोड़ा जल्दी ज्वाइन हो
जल्दी
जाती
जॉइन कर
काश
लेते
या
राइट हम्म
एंड फिर सोचा अगर बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट कर देती तो शायद सुजाता नहीं मिलती because I'll tell you why, Sujata. Because here, not only we are learning, not only public speaking, how to speak, pause, tonality. Yes, everything is in this course.
राइट
Apart from that, I mentioned, I also learned consistency, how to show up, and how to work for ourselves, right? बिकॉज दूसरों के लिए तो हम करते ही है पर कभी खुद को हम नोटिस भी नहीं करते एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते
राइट
एंड यू हाउ टू बी काइंड विथ आवर ओन सेल्फ
राइट
राइट सो ये सब एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का तो पार्ट नहीं है मतलब आप इसके साथ बहुत कुछ सिखा रहे हो एंड
राइट
वन
वेरी गुड
ब्यूटी अबाउट योर टीचिंग इज आप पहले अनलर्न कराते हो
राइट
देन लर्निंग डालते हो सो
राइट
इट वर्कड वंडरफुली सुजाता अमेजिंग
I'm very happy, Sangeeta. I'm very proud. I'm speechless right now, and I'm getting these goosebumps at how beautifully things has worked out for each and every one. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले I was doing another interview series, and even she was referring the same thing. And every time that I hear success stories like this, I feel happy that I'm glad that I chose public speaking. And I think that I always tell public speaking chose me, maybe. So I know most of them, they know already my story. So Sangeeta, if you remember, we did a inner child healing session in the very first few session.
Yes,
We did
yes,
the inner
yes.
child healing, and I
Mm,
remember you clearly
yes,
telling that you didn't like yellow color. And after that,
yes,
you shared me a picture where you got yourself a yellow color outfit, and then
yes,
you wore that, and I was very happy that how. We completed session yesterday, and the very next day you went to the shopping mall. You got yourself that color. You
yes,
conquered each and every fear that was holding you back inside. Yeah.
yes, yes. Very true.
So
Very.
you want to share about that experience?
Yes, definitely, Sujata. Because it was like from childhood, because of my dusky color, my all relatives and all, they always used to say, you're dusky and this color don't suit, yellow mat pehno and saffron mat pehno, this, that. So
Right.
go with certain colors.
Right.
Always choose the dresses in this color. It was like from my childhood, it was in my mind. I
Right.
shared it during inner child healing.
Right.
Then you gave me that challenge. Whatever fear you're having, first you have to conquer that fear.
Correct.
Right, Sujata?
Yes. Yes.
So after your session, I went to shopping mall and I purchased not yellow, LOS, I can say. So, yes. Then I purchased this dress and immediately after coming home, I took that pic.
Wow.
Right.
Wow. Yes.
So that was my, yeah,
I'm very
that
happy,
was my,
Sangeeta. Yeah.
yes,
So
Sujata.
I ensure that I make you all face your own fear, look into the
Yes,
eyes of the fear and face it again and again. I'm very happy that
yes,
you
yes,
did
very
that.
true.
I'm very happy. It's not just me, it's you. If I am telling you and you're not doing, you're not executing
Hmm.
it, you're not implementing, you're doubting the process, maybe this would have not worked for you. So it is
Yes.
equally 200% you gave in the training, and that's the output that you
Hmm.
have received, Sangeeta. Yeah. So, Sangeeta,
Yes.
you were also
And
telling, yeah.
yeah, one more thing. See, today also I'm in black outfit, Sujata. This is also conquering my fear. वो
Wow.
बोलते थे, yeah, you're dusky, don't wear black.
Don't wear black, don't wear brown, yellow.
So I have more number of dresses in black.
Wow, that's beautiful. Hmm.
Thank you for that. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy, Sangeeta. And Sangeeta, are people noticing the change in you? And now, how are you feeling? Everything that is happening around you.
It's amazing, Sujata, क्योंकि it's not only new person in me.
Right.
So I started grabbing so many opportunities
Wow.
because whatever skill you have, it doesn't matter if you don't know how to speak and how to deliver,
Correct.
right? So
Correct.
you taught us to how to speak and all, and how to convey your messages to other person.
Hmm.
And now अब तो सिर्फ यही है कि आगे बढ़ते रहना है एंड कम्युनिटी में आपके कम्युनिटी में एक बार मेंबर बन गए तो इट्स लाइक लाइफ टाइम
The lifetime. Yes,
मेंबरशिप
yes, yes. This is
तो
a community. Yes.
यस
Wow. Wow.
यस बिकॉज आपने हमेशा हैंड होल्ड करा है अब तक एंड जब हमने मैसेज भी किया है आपने हर एक का रिप्लाई किया है एंड
Hmm.
दैट कनेक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
Right.
तो हर एक मेंटर से तो हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेंगे बट आपको जब भी हमने कुछ भी रीच करा आपने हर बार ही उसका आंसर दिया है
Answer, yeah.
सो दिस इज अ ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस
Right. Right.
कम्युनिटी
Right. That's
यस
that's very important, Sangeeta. That if I want, I can easily bring 100 people in the batch. Oh, my really difficult is
यस
hai nahi. But why am I helping just 10 people in a batch? It is because that I want to ensure all the 10 of them are getting result. So that is why personal mentorship is very important for people. काफ़ी लोग मेरे पास आते हैं and they ask me कि सुजाता you charge more. But this is a deeper level of work that we do in the training. It's a mastermind है ना तो जब कोई
यस
मेरे प्रोग्राम के साथ कंपेयर करता है मार्केट के प्रोग्राम एंड मैम they're just charging 4,000 rupees and you're charging so much. Then I say that the kind of value that we bring in, the deeper that we work. If you remember कि कितना हम इनर में रूट पे हम काम करते हैं. So we have this root cause analysis session. We go deeper.
यस
We understand
यस
your challenges. We customize it accordingly. We tailor it accordingly. That's how one is getting results. I'm very happy that I was able to witness the transformation in you. Yeah.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू हियर सुजाता, बिकॉज मुझे एक बात बोलनी है। आपने अभी जो बोला तो
हम्म
सी लोग बोलेंगे कि हायर चार्ज है, दिस दैट, ओके, आई
हम्म
अंडरस्टैंड, बट
हम्म
वन थिंग आई वांट टू मेंशन, वी ऑल आर क्वीन ऑफ आवर लाइफ एंड किंग ऑफ आवर लाइफ, राइट?
वेरी ट्रू,
सो
वेरी
जब
ट्रू,
आप क्वीन और किंग बने हो तो अपने लिए हमेशा स्टैंडर्ड सोचो, प्रीमियम सोचो, तो
वेरी
एक
ट्रू।
स्टैंडर्ड कम्युनिटी में इन्वेस्ट करो।
इन्वेस्ट करो,
तो
वेरी ट्रू,
लेस पे
वेरी
क्यों
ट्रू।
जाना है? और मैं
एग्जैक्टली,
हमेशा खुद के
एग्जैक्टली।
लिए बेस्ट चुनती हूँ, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ।
That's very very beautiful. तो संगीता, आप मुझे बताओ कि you are struggling with your speaking challenges for the last 2 years, है ना? You
Yes,
started
yes.
noticing the change in you in the last in just first session and first week you started
First
noticing
session.
change, है ना?
Yes, yes.
So
Very
and
true.
you got the overall transformation in less than 4 weeks, right? And
Three
when
to four.
I
Three to four.
yes yes, and when I told that you'll be able to achieve this transformation in less than 6 weeks, how was your entire expression in the beginning of the journey?
So सुजाता, आपने बोला था दैट 6 वीक्स में आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा, तो इट
हम्म।
वाज इन माय माइंड 6 वीक लगेंगे,
हाँ
पर ब्लेसिंग ही बोलेंगे। फर्स्ट सेशन के बाद ही मुझे वो स्टेज का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल
हाँ
गया,
हाँ।
एंड आफ्टर दैट आई वाज सो कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड नाउ आल्सो आई एम, इट इज 10x।
Yes, I can see the energy in you already.
Yes.
Yes.
So I thought, अरे वाह, क्या सही टाइम पे आए हम लोग। Just one session हुआ है and I got this opportunity. And I
Opportunity, right?
mentioned you also.
Yes, 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 yes.
Sujata, I don't know what's happening. After joining your community, everything is coming positively and I'm grabbing so many opportunities. पता नहीं है, कुछ तो हो रहा है सुजाता। I don't know what's happening. I mentioned it so many
Yes,
times.
you told me many times. Yes, yes. Very happy. तो संगीता,
And six,
हाँ,
yes,
yes.
Sujata.
तो संगीता, काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि सुजाता, हाउ कम इट इज पॉसिबल टू अचीव रिजल्ट इन 6 वीक्स, आई डोंट थिंक नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से। तो व्हाट डू वांट टू टेल टू पीपल हु लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एनरोल देमसेल्फ इन माय कोचिंग प्रोग्राम?
Yes, definitely. So instead of going 10 places and learning everywhere little, 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 वो बोलता है ना सुजाता, एक ही जगह में खोदोगे तो पानी मिलेगा। आप 10
हम्म।
जगह में थोड़ा थोड़ा खोदोगे बिकॉज कम प्राइस है, दिस दैट, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट विथ यू, विथ योर
हाँ,
सेल्फ, डोंट डू दैट। बिकॉज वेन एवर इन्वेस्टिंग केम, नो, you have to invest on your physical, mental and building skills.
बिल्डिंग स्किल्स,
वहां पे
वेरी
कोई
ट्रू।
नेगोशिएशन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज वॉट मैटर्स इज योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, योर मेंटल हेल्थ एंड स्किल्स। उस पे इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो वो कभी भी वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा। या बाकी चीजों पे ओके, आप थोड़ा नेगोशिएट कर भी देते हो तो इट्स ओके, बट हियर इट इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल। तो
वेरी ट्रू।
प्लीज ज्वाइन वन बेस्ट कम्युनिटी, not only learning, and you have so much, as I discussed earlier, and please take this opportunity to join here. And Sujata, I'm not sharing this because I'm in this interview or I want to please anyone or nothing like that. Very honestly, I want to say, Sujata, what I saw in you is no drama, honesty, एंड आपने जो भी बोला, एवरीथिंग रियली विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, जो भी है योर जर्नी हो गया एंड योर लर्निंग्स हो गया, आप जो सिखा रहे हो, एंड मोर देन दैट यू गेव अस व्हाट यू प्रॉमिस्ड। आई थिंक मोर देन दैट,
यस,
आई एम
यस।
नॉट exaggerating. Yeah, honestly, it's coming from my heart. More than what you promised, you gave more than that. See,
वाह।
if I invested some X amount also, I'm getting 10 times more than that, right?
यस, 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 यस।
So can I say, can I say anything about that? No, because I invested in a very perfect,
राइट, राइट,
best, and premium. I'm
राइट,
learning here, right? And I'm
राइट।
investing on my, for example, if I want to buy iPhone or any branded Zara dress, okay, आप buy कर लो, but आप खुद पे invest नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो वो कैसे
राइट,
मैटर करेगा?
राइट,
So
राइट, राइट,
invest
राइट।
plus, yeah, best investment.
राइट, राइट। दैट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट संगीता, कि आप अगर अपने में इन्वेस्ट करोगे तभी लोग आप में इन्वेस्ट
Yes, yes,
करेंगे, right? So if you
yes,
are
very true.
skillful enough, that's how people will recognize your skill and they will give you more opportunity. You will attract more opportunities, right? So
Yes, yes,
I'm very, very
very
happy
true.
to witness the transformation. And I'm very happy that we are connected today, Sangeeta. I'm able to see the transformation. I'm able to, see how far you have come in the entire journey of yours just
Yes.
after the communication skill upgradation जब आपने करा है। I'm very happy the kind of people that you're meeting. You're meeting high quality people.
Yes,
You're
yes,
getting more
yes, very.
attractive. You're attracting more opportunities, and you're vibrating is what I see, Sangeeta.
Yes.
So
Yes, Sujata,
I
very
wish
true.
you all the best, Sangeeta. Keep doing, yeah, and this family will always be there for you.
Thank you so much for all support and encouragement, Sujata. Love this community. And अब जो भी next courses launch करेंगे, please launch early. हम फिर से वहाँ पे already enrolled है, क्योंकि हमें उसका
We are
स्वाद
gonna
मिल
launch
गया है.
soon. Yes, we are gonna launch soon. अभी और 15-20 days लगेगा. And once that is done,
Yes.
I'm already opening the slot for everyone. Looking forward
And
more.
I'm already in.
I'm very happy.
Correct.
Looking forward to have continue this journey with you, Sangeeta. Thank you so much again to be a part of Pro Speakers Hub and for this entire interview series. I'm sure whoever is watching this, they will have the confidence that yes, they can choose this community, they can choose this mentor, and they can look
Yes.
forward for the transformation in less time. Yeah. Thank you, Sangeeta.
Thank you so much, Sujata.
Thank you.